Alright, now for the next part of the ongoing saga of the never-ending build of the Flying Dutchman. Here's what it looks like now in the fall of 2009. Just getting ready to put it away for the winter and come over here to Dale Colton's auto body, and he's talking me into tearing this thing down and straightening out this subframe. It's bent down here, it's bent down and bent sideways from previous altercations. It's been that way since I've had it, and now we're looking at a tear down here. So I managed to find myself a pair of steel fenders way out in the sticks, and I got the tools out, try to strip through what's all the green moss and rust to see what's there. They've been cut off right here on the ends. They used to be part of a tilt front end car. So hopefully we can save these things, and they're going to go on the Flying Dutchman just to make it a little more sturdy. Yeah, I'm over here at Dell's Custom Auto Body, Colton's Auto Body here in Milwaukee. I got these Chevelles all around me here. And here's the old Flying Dutchman, looking pretty crusty in comparison. Okay, next step is to get the bullet out of it. Alright, all we got to do is get these cars all situated, get the Dutchman back in the shop. And the rest of the Dutchman resides up here for now. Alrighty then, let's get this crooked old girl up in the air. Go ahead and clean this off, and then we're going to get to the main reason for tearing this thing down like this, to try to straighten out these frame rails. They've been tweaked. Now we can take a look underneath. Tell you what, you don't want that boiling hot water. And now it's time for Dell to set this thing up on the frame rack.
To really do a car like this, you can't just take a Camaro and do this to them. You have to have a full chassis that's totally rigid on its own, and then put the body on it, right?
Yeah, and here we Alrighty then. The reason we put this car on this frame rack was to try to straighten it out and make the thing sit more level. I don't even want to get into what all that entailed. But now, she's level. So, we're moving on to this. We got to get these things out of here. Get to work on this subframe. Taking all the little clamps off and the little screws and the grounds here. The little clips and the grounds that are held in here. Alright, if you continue on stripping this thing. Alright, now we're getting her mocked up. Steel fenders are fitting on. They have some issues that we'll have to take care of. Gotta weld it all along here. Take care of all this. I salvaged these out of the sticks way back in the woods from some guy. Some of we got this DTM primer on here, but it's 50 degrees out here, so we got to help it out with this heat gun. You know what you might find parked over a Jack in the Box. Hits just keep on coming. This has been all rusted all through here. Someone has done a bunch of welding and cobbled in a bunch of chunks of metal and whatever in here and welded this piece onto this rest of the fender here. So now I got to cut this off so I can get this bottom piece off of this fender.
This vote determines if that car jumped or not. So be sure that you know what you saw. If you don't know for sure, do not vote. Because I can't tell and I don't want to go back to a replay and I'm getting too hot up here. So, if you think he...
Alrighty then, we're getting a little bit of sun out here in the winter time. I'm fitting these metal fenders onto the car. I'm finding out that these metal fenders are different from the fiberglass ones I took off. They're a lower profile than this fiberglass and this core support, which is fiberglass, is shorter. So the fenders have a lower profile. They're like channeled down over the frame. That's why the car looks so good, sat so low. Now with these metal fenders, it won't look that way anymore. It's going to be up higher. The metal fenders sit about 1 inch higher than the fiberglass ones did.
Yeah, you're on camera, cat.
Hey, you kind of matched my car. There it is, the Flying Dutchman, in its incomplete state, waiting for the stripe down the side. Yes, this is my project. The stripe is going to be blue, and it's going to have a message.